Right. So we are just randomly picking the questions which were challenging our grade 9s from Amatoli East District in their paper 1 that they were writing last week. So this was question number 32. Remember, this paper had question number 1 up to question number 60, multiple choice. They were supposed to factorize this one, and then they will factorize again on question 33. So how were they supposed to factorize this one? If you are factorizing in a trinomial expression of this format, when you say that the exponent of this squared value is 1, that makes that thing easy to factorize. Why? You look for the factors of 28 that when you add them, they give you minus 11. So I'm going to come again. The factors of 28 that give me minus 11 are minus 7 and minus 4. Why? Because a negative 7 multiplied by a negative 4 surely will give us a positive 28. But minus 7 minus 4 will give us minus 11. So what do you do with that information? You then say y minus 7 and then you say y minus 4. That will be correct. But when you look at the answers which were given, some learners were confused. They were saying y plus 7 and y plus 4. So this answer would be wrong, because if you want to multiply this bracket, you don't go back there. It will give you a positive or 11y there, which will be wrong. So the correct answer is the first one that I've put up there. Then when we come to question number 33, when you look at question number 33, it has got a 9p squared. This is supposed to be 27p. 9p squared plus 27p minus 90. How do you factorize that one? Now we have the challenge here that the p squared has got a coefficient which is 9. But if you look across the expression, you can see that 9 is a common factor. It's a factor of 9, it's a factor of 27, it's a factor of 90. So what do you do with it? You factor it out first. So we've got 9 now as our common factor. If we factor out 9 from here, we remain with p squared. If we factor out 9 from here, we remain with plus 3p. We factor out 9 from there, we remain with minus 10. It does not end there. It's multiple choice. If it was not multiple choice, a learner would have scored a mark for just doing that. But now, because it's multiple choice, we need to go to the final answer. Now, what do we do here? We carry down the 9 outside the bracket, but what we are seeing inside this bracket is the same as what we have dealt with here. We have got a minus 10 here, and we have got a 3. What are the factors of negative 10? That gives us a positive 3. The factors of negative 10 that gives us a positive 3 are a positive 5 and a negative 2. If you multiply 5 by minus 2, surely you get minus 10, and 5 minus 2, you get a 3. So what do you do with that information? You then come and do your two brackets, p plus 5, and the other bracket, p minus 2. Then this is supposed to be option p plus 5. That was supposed to be option, the first option there. Yeah, option B. That's correct.